Good morning, students. Welcome to Shri Academy online classes. So, today we are going to start our second chapter, that is how I care for my surrounding, explanation and word meaning. So, let's get started. To keep our body healthy, we should take care of our surrounding. That means if we want to live a healthy life, we have to keep our surrounding neat and clean. Surrounding means the things around us. A spick and span surrounding is important for good health. That means a spick and span. Spick and span means a neat and clean surrounding is very important for our good health. If we want a good health, we have to live in a neat and clean place, and we have to keep our surrounding also very neat and clean so that we can live a healthy life and a good health. So, cleanliness at home. Let's see how we can take care of cleanliness at home. First is we should keep our household things at a proper place. Household things means some important elements or things that we use in daily life of houses. So we have to keep all the things at a proper place. Then second one is we should keep our houses spick and span. Spick and span means we know very well that neat and clean. We should keep our house neat and clean so that we can live a healthy life. The next point is we should throw garbage in the covered dustbin. That means we have to throw the garbage means the waste materials, into the covered dustbin so that we cannot get any infection and our surrounding get very neat and clean. So let's see this picture. In this picture, this girl is cleaning the house and cleaning the table also. So she is maintaining a surrounding clean. As we can see in this picture, the boy is using the dustbin to throw the garbage or to throw the waste. So we have to also use dustbin to throw the waste. Then in next picture, the boy is closing the tap. So we should not open the tap after using that. We have to always close the tap after using it, so that we can save water and we can make a good surrounding. Now let's see cleanliness at school. How we can clean at school. Then first point is we should not spit on the floor. Not spit on the floor. Spit matlab thukna. So we should not spit on the floor. It's very bad manner. So now next point is we should not write on the walls. Means that in school we should not write on the wall unnecessary. Next point is we should not pluck the flowers from the school garden. That means we know very well that in a school garden it is restricted to pluck the flowers. Pluck the flower means to remove the flowers from the garden. It's not a good manner. Then second one, last is we should keep our blackboard clean. That means after teacher go while teaching, we should make clear that we should keep the board neat and clean. So that makes the board clean. That will also include in cleanliness at school. As we see in the picture, the boy is writing on the wall. So it's not good to write on the wall in school. So we have to not do these type of things in school. Now in next picture you can see that the girl is plucking the flowers. It is strictly written that don't pluck the flowers, but then also she is plucking the flowers. So it is not a good manner to pluck the flowers. Now in next picture we can see a boy is cleaning the blackboard. He is rubbing the blackboard and removing the waste. So it's really a good manner to removing the dust from the blackboard and to clean the blackboard. So it's a good manner. Now let's get a summary of this chapter. First is to keep our body healthy, we should take care of our surrounding. It's very true. To keep our body healthy, we should make our surrounding clean. Next is a spick and span surrounding provide us good health. That means spick and span surrounding means a neat and clean surrounding makes a good health. Next is all the household things should be kept in a proper place. All the household things we should keep at a proper place. Next is we should keep our house spick and span. We very well know we should keep our school, our house spick and span means neat and clean. Next is we should not split on the floor. We should not spit on the floor. It's very bad manner. Next one is we should throw garbage in a covered dustbin. We should always throw the garbage in the covered dustbin. Next is we should not write on the walls. It is very true in school we should not write on the walls. So these all are the summary of this chapter. Now let's move on to the word meanings of this chapter. So all of you listen very carefully. First word meaning is surrounding. SURROUNDING. Surrounding means आस-पास के. I repeat, SURROUNDING. Surrounding means आस-पास के. Next is household. 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 Household means गृहस्थी. I repeat, HOUSE house, HOLD household. Household means गृहस्थी. Next is SPICK spick and SPAN span. Spick and span means साफ सुथरा. I repeat, SPICK spick and SPAN span. Spick and span means साफ सुथरा. Next is dustbin. Dustbin, DUSTBIN. Dustbin means कचरे का डिब्बा. I repeat, DUSTIBIN. Dustbin means कचरे का डिब्बा. Now next word meaning is leave. LEAVE. Leave means छोड़ना. I repeat, LEAVE. Leave. Leave means छोड़ना. Next is cleanliness. CLEANLINESS. Cleanliness means स्वच्छता. I repeat, CLEANLINESS. Cleanliness means स्वच्छता. Next is spit. 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 Spit means थूक. I repeat, SPIT. Spit. Spit means थूक. Now next is pluck. PLUCK. Pluck means खींचे. I repeat, PLUCK. Pluck. Pluck means खींचे. Now the next word meaning is from the book. So first is home. Home, a place where we stay. Second is school, a place of learning. Next is surrounding. Surrounding means things or place around us. Next is cleanliness. Cleanliness means to stay clean. Next is blackboard or chalkboard. That meaning is a large board with a smooth dark surface attached to a wall. Next is dustbin, a container to throw garbage. Next is spick and span, means neat, clean and well looked after. Next one is pluck. Pluck means to pull or remove. So I hope that you all get understood. Thank you.